Hey friends! Today we're taking a look at a new, popular, and affordable model from Midland, the Midland 18. As always, it comes in a cardboard box with labeling in several languages. Inside the box, you'll find some branded stickers for the fans and the user manual. Standard kit. The mic with channel switching and lock buttons. Features an Aero 6 connector, solid and all metal. Mounting bracket, hardware, and the mic clip. The radio itself is quite compact. It comes bundled with a power cable and a cigarette lighter plug. On the rear panel, the antenna socket, universal power input, 12 and 24 volts. On the front panel, two multifunction control buttons. The squelch knob, volume knob, and a channel selector encoder. Power it up with the volume knob. Squelch has a manual mode. Just rotate until the noise drops out. There's also an automatic digital mode, DS, which works pretty well in most situations. Channels can be switched using the encoder or the buttons on the mic. The center button is for a temporary mic mute or for a -5 kHz frequency shift depending on the version. A long press on this button locks the controls. The left button cycles through Channel 15, used in Eastern Europe and CIS countries, Channel 9, the emergency channel, Channel 19 for road information, and a user-defined channel. The right button toggles between AM and FM modulation. A long press on the first button lets you select the country, that is, the frequency band plan from a wide range of options. The second button enters the menu. First menu item, the auto-squelch trigger level. We'll leave it at the factory default A3. Second menu item, the receiver attenuator or RFG. For long-range reception, this should be set to off. Third menu item enables transmit timeout timer in minutes. Next item lets you adjust the display backlight brightness, really handy at night. The following item lets you pick your preferred display color. Keep this in mind, this is the correct setup for some Western European countries, FM Channel 5. Now let's configure it for Eastern Europe and CIS. AM, digital squelch, channel 15. Let's check the output power. Right on spec, 4 watts. And that's it. A simple, solid radio, the Midland 18, carrying on the tradition of the Allen 100, brought up to modern standards.
When you're miles from civilization and technology fails you, the road ahead is unpredictable. With a CB radio, you're never alone on the road. Real-time traffic updates, 24/7 emergency assistance and free communication. Check out the Louis Vuitton 298 and the Louis Vuitton 198. Be on the way. Visit ProMarket-EU.com.